Students, welcome to online practical classes of biology. So the aim of today's experiment is to prepare a stained temporary mound of a leaf peel to see the stomata. Okay, so temporary slide means what? We can make a slide in the lab and we can observe it under the microscope and then we can wash it. Okay, and permanent slides are also there, and the technique to develop a or make a permanent slide is different from that of a temporary slide. And once a permanent slide is formed or made, that can be there for many years. We can use the same slide for many years. Okay, so there are different, these are the difference between a temporary slide and a permanent slide. So here today we are going to prepare a temporary slide of, okay, temporary mound of a leaf peel to see the stomata. So let's see what are the materials required. So the materials required includes, you can see, so we need what various materials like, okay, the the watch glasses, in that water is taken, okay, and in another watch glass what a stain is taken. Then you can see the leaves. We are using different materials here, like this is uh, the glycerin which is used as the mountain glass slide. Okay, you can see the stain which is used as the uh, which is used for staining. Glycerin you can see here. Okay, this is the stain and this is the glycerin. Okay, and then we need glass slide. Okay, then you need the cover slips. Okay, and then you need the brush, and then it is the dropper. Okay, and this is the needle, and this is watch glass, and then you can use the leaves. Okay, various leaves are, any leaves you can use for this purpose, okay, for doing the experiment. And also you need what? Microscope. So the materials required includes what? The chemicals like what? Safranin, glycerin. Okay, then you need what? The forceps, okay, needle, brush, glass slide, cover slips. Okay, then microscope, leaves, all these are the materials required. So this is the upper surface of the leaf and this is the lower surface, and lower surfaces are having more stomata, isn't it? So we are taking the lower surface, so we can just tear it through the sides, and if you just pull it, you can get a very thin layer of what epidermal peel or leaf peel you will get. And this is the what side where you can see a lot of stomata. Okay, so this is the peel. You can see a white membranous structure, isn't it? So this is the peel, leaf peel. So this you have to cut. Okay, you have to cut this. Okay, so how to take? Just tear it, okay, in one stretch only through the sides. So you will get a very nice membrane of the what leaf, that is actually the leaf peel. Okay, so leaf peel we are taking like this by tearing through the sides. And then what we have to do? We have to cut it. Okay, cut the leaf, and then you have to what keep it in the water. Suddenly you have to what without rolling this, you have to cut it. Okay, and then you have to keep it into the center of a slide. Okay, small piece is enough, very small piece is enough for this. And then a small piece is taken and it will be put it into the water in the watch glass. Then it should be transferred to where? To the stain. Okay, taken in a watch glass. Into the stain you have to keep. Okay, so for what? For staining purpose, for the staining purpose. Then that peel should be taken using a brush. Okay, and wash it in the water, so that if any extra stain, if it is there, that will be removed. Okay, so extra stain can be removed by what? Washing it in the or washing it in water. Then transfer it into the slide and put what? The glycerin. Okay, then put a cover slip using a what needle. Okay, using a needle, slowly put the cover slip so that you can avoid the what the air bubbles. So you can see lot of stomata under the microscope through the what the through the low power of the microscope. Okay, so this lens shaped structure, that are what stomata only. And when you what focus it under the what the high power, okay, you will find what this kind of cells, and these are actually what, okay, stomatas. You can see the pores are the stomata, and you can see the what the guard cells surrounding the stomata. So hope you understood how to make a temporary slide of leaf peel to see the stomata. Okay, and for this purpose you will have to do the procedure. I think you understood it well, and you will have to write 2 experiment I told already. That is, this experiment and one more experiment is given, so that too you have to write in your lab manual. Before means you have to complete that work also, and you also have to write aim, materials required, procedure, principle, then the precautions, and the diagram should be written in the blank page and drawn in the blank page with all the labeling towards the right side, and only do the labeling and the drawing work with pencil. So up to precaution means precaution also is very important. You have to learn this also, so that the you can get questions from this for your examination also. Okay, so thank you children. We'll study the next topic in the next class. Thank you.